Well, thanks for joining us. We've got some updates for you on this winter storm that's passing through Missouri. The snow is falling now in Springfield. Here in Springfield, the roads really didn't start getting slick until the sun went down. Our crews that were out tracking the storm on the east side of town said that rain that fell earlier today created those slick spots on the road as that rain froze over, and we even saw some snow continuing to pile up. Now, Matt, that precipitation, the bulk of it is done, but it's still impacting roads.
Yeah, we're still getting a little bit of snow at this time. Ice is done. That part is over with, but look at the impact that's having on roads in Missouri. Just across the whole state, we are seeing the roads covered in purple, which is MoDOT's way of saying that roads are covered with snow, and also we have ice. Let's zoom into Springfield and we can start to see conditions a little bit where Springfield is completely covered with these conditions. The snow has been picking up over the last couple hours. It will continue for the next couple hours as well, and conditions are starting to get a little bit messy. If we can zoom on out, let's go to the camera over in St. Roberts as the road, I believe Route Y, just north of St. Roberts, is closed right now due to some utility damage, and you can see the conditions out there not great. You have the snow, you have the sleet on the side of the road, and it looks like icy roads from what I can tell with this camera. Conditions are getting slick out there. This is not the time to go outside and drive. We will not be thawing out any time soon. Let's pull into the weather graphics and talk about the forecast for tonight. As you can see the quad box, you can see the conditions in Springfield, in Rolla. You can't really see what's going on at Ozark and Jingle. You're supposed to be able to see Highway 65 there, but that camera has frozen over, and you can also see it downstream just southwest of Joplin. Wherever you look into the Ozarks, we are cold, we are covered with snow, and here's another camera for you. Downtown in Springfield, we have that steady snow. You can see right in here, when you look at these street lights, there's a little bit of that snow that has been continued. It is really about 8 o'clock. The snow picked up in Springfield. It's about 3 straight hours of steady snowfall. Our totals are starting to get impressive. Not as much as what has been happening further into the north of Jefferson City. You can see, I believe this is the Missouri River Bridge over into Jefferson City. Places in Kansas City, a foot of snow. For us, I think we have opportunities to kind of push that to, I put a range in Springfield for today about 1 to 2 inches. I like our chances to still hit that mark of 1 or 2 inches. Here right now, I just measured outside the studio, got about a ½ inch of snow, and I think we'll see that number continue to rise as this band of snowfall that was really west of Highway 65 for the last couple hours is slowly moving off into the east. And this band of snow is moving slower than expected, which means totals are getting higher and higher with snowfall accumulations. This is the last bit that we have to deal with this storm. The low pressure system is out of our area. The heavy rain, the heavy snow, the heavy ice, it's gone. This is the last bit we have to push out of the Ozarks until we're just left with frozen and cold temperatures. It's kind of taking its sweet time. Totals are going to continue to be impressive for areas along and north of Highway 54 where they have gotten about 2 to 4 inches of snow, and they still have more that's going to be coming their way. It is going to be the last hurrah of this system, but I think by the time we're getting into Monday morning, maybe a few flurries, but besides that, we will be done with snowfall and we will be stuck with cold temperatures. I need to mention something else. Power outages has been spotty. We haven't had widespread blackouts, but tonight is another opportunity where people can continue to lose power. If you're watching this, that means you have power. I'm glad. I hope it stays that way. But once we get throughout tonight, we'll have ice over those electric lines, and we're going to get very fast, gusty winds that can gust over 30 miles per hour. Those lines are getting weighed down. Tree branches are getting weighed down. We're adding more stress, we're adding more pressure, and it's going to provide opportunities to get some line snappage. I hope we don't see it, but it will be, you may lose power throughout the night. That would be why. We're not expecting any more ice, just the impacts of it, as we will not be melting any time soon. Look at the forecast for Monday. High temperature just barely out of the teens. Fast, gusty winds. Winds are going to be somewhere between 10 to 20 miles per hour. We can get gusts even faster. Single-digit low for Monday night. Single-digit low for Tuesday night. Tonight, I think we avoid the single-digit lows, but it's still going to be cold. I think in Springfield, we get into those lower teens. Tuesday and Wednesday are still going to be chilly days where they're warmer than Monday, but still well below freezing. Thursday is our opportunity to warm up, and look what we have here on Friday. It's another chance of snow. Right now, this isn't something that you can lock in yet, but it's another opportunity, and the more I forecast it, the more confidence I'm having that we can see more snow developing on Friday. Good chance that we see snow that's going to develop into central Arkansas. The question is how much of that spills into our region. I think the heaviest snow is going to be down into the south. With this event we got today, The heaviest snow is up into the north. It's going to get that pattern flipped once we get into Friday. This is going to provide an opportunity on Friday for the Ozarks to pick up probably 1 or 2 more inches of snowfall if this continues to stay true. And we'll see how that progresses throughout the week. There's a chance of snow on Friday. Let's hit you with the full 7-day forecast. It is going to be a weather-aware day for Monday as we will be staying cold. Roads will continue to stay icy. A lot of schools in the Ozarks are canceled for tomorrow. If you don't have to go into work, try not to get out on the roads as it is going to be staying slick with snow-covered conditions. Cold for Tuesday, cold for Wednesday. Thursday is our day to finally warm up, and then we have that chance of snow that could be returning on Friday. It is going to be a cold set of days. If you are getting outside, be safe. We will continue to have updates on our website, ozarksfirst.com. Thanks for watching.